Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today on my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I do my daily morning green juice. It is so good and it has amazing benefits, including alkalizes the body. It gives you an energy boost, provides antioxidants, promotes gut health. It's amazing for detoxification, and it also helps your immune system. So it has a lot of great benefits, and it also helps you with weight loss or managing your weight if you are doing that as well. A few things that I like to add just to sweeten it up a little bit more, because the apples are pretty sweet but they're kind of tangy as well. I use 2 dates, and then I will use a whole bunch of agave. This is the agave that I use. I believe it's from Whole Foods, maybe, but it's a better alternative than just regular maple sugar, so that's why I use that. So I start out with freshly washed apples, and please don't judge my cutting skills. I am not a chef, but some benefits of using green apples are that they provide vitamins A, C, E, and K. It's good for your skin and hair health, it detoxifies the liver, good for joint health, gut health, and it's an amazing source of fiber. So you'll notice that I don't actually use a juicer to make this juice. I just blend it all together really well in a blender, like I drink the whole thing. So that is an added bonus to using the blender. You get more fiber. Next, I am going to be peeling my cucumber. I love cucumber. They're very hydrating, which is really good for your skin. They're made up of like 96% water, so that's why they're good for weight management. Another excellent source of fiber. It also provides vitamin C and K, antioxidants, and like I said, they're amazing. So make sure you get you a good cucumber in your life to add to this green juice. Another thing is, if you can use all organic fruits and veggies. Unfortunately for this video, I didn't have all organic, so these aren't organic, but usually I do buy organic. Next is lime, which is another one of my favorite fruits ever. It's so good, and it also has amazing antibacterial properties, so it helps fight off infection and foodborne illnesses. It's good for clearing your skin because it helps with the detoxification process, reduces inflammation, also supports healthy digestion. And the easiest way to peel lime is to literally just peel it like an orange. So this is my blender. It is the Instant Pot blender, and it is absolutely amazing. The best $100 I've ever spent. It has a heating element, and so you can make soup in this. You can puree like fruit in here, and it also has the option to make different types of milk. So you can see on the side there it says soy milk, rice milk, nut and oat milk. I think this is just one of the best value blenders that you can get. So here I'm just pouring 1 bottle of water in, and then I put in all the fruit and veggies on top, and I'll put the spinach on top of that. So then I just blend it on high, and it goes for about 8 minutes, and then I'll push high again just to really make sure that it's a juice-like consistency. Here I'm just using these recycled glass bottles. I usually fill up about 4 of these. Like I said, I make a huge batch on Sunday, and I just grab one every morning and drink it on the way to work. And I'm really struggling to pour this, y'all. I'm like standing in between the light and the counter, and it's just a struggle. So that is my green smoothie recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you try it in the comments down below, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye!